Replacing or upgrading your home's doors is one of the best investments you can make for comfort, security, and curb appeal. For homeowners in Carencro, where humid weather and seasonal storms put homes to the test, proper door installation is especially important. But what actually happens during the process? Knowing what to expect from professional door installation helps you prepare and ensures your project goes smoothly from start to finish. Initial consultation and assessment. The process begins with an in-home consultation where a professional evaluates your needs. Measurements. Accurate measurements of the door frame are taken to ensure a perfect fit. Style selection. You'll review options such as fiberglass, steel, or wood doors, along with design choices that match your Carencro home's character. Climate considerations. Professionals recommend materials that hold up against Louisiana's humidity, rain, and heat. This step ensures you choose a door that's both functional and stylish for your home. Preparing for installation day. Before the crew arrives, there are a few simple things homeowners can do to prepare. Clear pathways. Move furniture, rugs, or decorations near the entryway to create space for installers. Secure pets and children. Keep them safely away from the work area. Plan for noise. Installation involves tools and movement, so plan accordingly for a few hours of disruption. By preparing ahead of time, you'll help the team work efficiently and protect your belongings. Removing the old door on installation day. The first step is carefully removing your old door. Safe removal. Professionals take care not to damage the surrounding frame or walls. Inspecting the frame. Once the old door is out, the frame and threshold are checked for damage, rot, or water intrusion. Frame adjustments. Any necessary repairs or reinforcements are made to ensure a solid foundation for the new door. This preparation is key to ensuring your new door performs at its best. Installing the new door. Once the frame is ready, the new door is carefully positioned and secured. Precise fitting. The door is adjusted to align perfectly within the frame, ensuring smooth operation. Weatherproofing. Sealants and insulation are added around the frame to block drafts, moisture, and dust. Hardware installation. Hinges, locks, and handles are installed and tested for durability and security. Professional attention to detail here prevents issues like sticking, gaps, or rattling in the future. Final adjustments and finishing touches. After the door is secured, installers perform final adjustments to guarantee performance. Threshold alignment. Ensures the bottom of the door seals tightly against the floor. Lock testing. All hardware is checked for proper alignment and function. Cleanup. The team removes debris, old materials, and packaging, leaving your home neat and tidy. This step ensures your door looks great and works exactly as it should. Post-installation walkthrough. At the end of the project, your installer will guide you through the finished work. Demonstration. You'll see how the door operates, locks, and seals. Care instructions. Tips are provided for cleaning, maintenance, and protecting the finish. Warranty details. You'll receive documentation covering both the product and installation. This ensures you feel confident about your new door and know how to maintain it. Final thoughts. For Carencro homeowners, professional door installation is about more than just hanging a new entryway. It's about ensuring comfort, efficiency, and long-term peace of mind. From the initial consultation and preparation to precise installation and final walkthrough, professionals handle every detail so you can enjoy a secure, stylish, and durable door. By knowing what to expect, you'll feel confident throughout the process and enjoy the many benefits of a professionally installed door. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, security, or curb appeal, a new door can make a lasting difference in your Carencro home.